So luckily I had two of this one, and so we try, for example, now to make a flat star this time and to connect it in another way. Okay, let's turn on our 3D pen again. Let's prepare our filament. See how it's going. Okay, let's start. You can turn the page, depends on you. What I like of 3D pen, especially with kids, is that they learn really, I mean, in 3 dimensions how to manage lines. Okay, so this time we are just doing a flat filling, not filling. The filling is never flat with a 3D pen. Finish again. So I will just add the filament. In this case, go back to the project. I did fill all the part without coming up immediately as I did in this one. So you see that they are already different even if the model was the same. Then you will see the back side different. And you could already leave it like this one. Or you can add additional decoration. I mean, you can doodle on it. You can leave it as it is. We will experiment also different way of filling a project where maybe we might save the filament itself. In this specific case, I want it to be completely full inside because it's going to be used to hold the keys, so I suppose it has to be more solid. And yeah, actually I think for Christmas it's perfect because yeah, it will be solid enough for Christmas season. But if you want something to stay even longer than months, if you have, it's going to be used in pockets and purse and so on, purses on. So maybe I would do another shape. But okay, it's another topic. Today we decided to do this one. But of course, you could have done this one or another kind of decoration. Most probably during this, we have to wait a little bit. So let's go ahead on the talking part. Then, yes, you will see this one is totally different. As I was telling you, if you do, for example, something circular like this one, it might be more durable in the months that are coming. Because it's a good shape to be durable. But anyway, in the past we did many stars and yeah, they hold very well, especially if they are full like in this way. Maybe this one might start to lose this part after some use or in different temperature condition could be, but this one I think is going to last. Yes, it's pretty solid. Even here you can see how we did our filling. And this is more shiny because it was touching this transparent foil. Anyway, so another way to connect our holder and make it shorter, for example, is to position it like this and then to simply hold it, be careful, and then you restart it. And you will simply do this one and it's already done. Just wait a sec. for the filament to cool down. If you want, I mean, it's already not really so hot, but it's still warmer, so I know to do not touch it right now. If you want, I mean, it's not moving so much this part, so you could even close it more that side, but maybe you want it to move a little bit, so you can leave it like this. And here it is, it's done. So we have the two different projects. Let me remove this one. As you can see, what is funny that in this second system it helps even to stand more as a 3D. This one was standing already in 3 dimension by itself, and we have two small gifts you could add, for example, in the advent calendar for tomorrow, or just use it today as your own surprise for this Christmas time. So, are you still a grumpy owl or a happy owl? In both the cases, I hope to see you tomorrow. See you. Bye!